Guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial, just we'll learn this once be ons like that. Okay, so here you will show that in the last video. Just click this and Bell automatically changes the another like that this name. Okay, so here simply I'll come back inside of this div and just here and use it be ons. Okay, what is the region in this tag like that name, first name. Okay, show this. Okay, click this like simply. Okay, you will show that it will be automatically changes after that second and third. Okay, why? Because we are just I'm going to use this. I've been use this beyond at first property. Okay, then when you will use it third property inside of this, then change it. Okay, just don't change this number of second. Why? Because we don't use this beyonds here. Okay, so that is the beyonds use inside of the template. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in the next tutorial.